Angie Harkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council joining us now from her kitchen. Hi, Ange.
Hello, happy December.
You too, and I guess we're beefing up for the holidays today.
We are, it's kind of, we made it through Thanksgiving, so now let's think about Christmas, New Year's, and beef roasts. So I have an awesome recipe. It's a smoked prime rib roast. So, I did the smoked recipes earlier in the summer. I tried smoking 2 beef rib roasts and it turned out perfectly. So we have that recipe on the website. So if you have a smoker and you got some time these holidays, I smoked it 5 hours, 225 degrees. The smoker was set to, and then I put the probe in it. So I took it off the smoking when the internal temperature was like 130, 135. And then I finished in the oven at 350 degrees. And I just finished it in my roasting pan and on my rack. But in the smoker, you just put it right on the grate. And then before I smoked it, I rubbed it with a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, and then fresh herbs. So I chopped up some thyme, some rosemary, and some sage. And so I just rubbed it on. So super easy, like 6 ingredients for the rub. And then finished it in the oven about 30 minutes. Just put your oven safe meat thermometer in the roast and take it up to that 140 temp. This one I pulled out at 140, but it's been sitting about a half an hour before I sliced it. So it definitely raised temperature to over medium rare. This is definitely a little bit more done than a medium rare. It's more of a medium. So probably raised 15 degrees while I let it sit and rest, but very important to let it rest. So if you don't want to smoke it, if you just want to do it in the oven, super easy to do the holiday roast. Just get a nice roasting pan and a rack, or even a simple 9x13 cake pan, metal pan. Roll up some foil, make a rack, elevate it. Now, if you buy the bone-in roast, you technically don't need the rack because the bones work as the rack. But boneless, bone-in, whatever you prefer. Watch the supermarket flyers for what's on sale. We'll have tenderloin roasts that are great. These are bone-in. Rib roasts, ribeye roast, boneless is perfect. And also, if you go to beeftips.com, now we have some more economical roasts. So like a sirloin tip roast or a round tip roast that you can do in the oven too for a holiday meal.
Angie, sorry to interrupt, but we are running a little long here, so we'll get the recipes online.
Perfect. Yeah. Go to beeftips.com, our Wisconsin Beef Council website, and you'll see the link right there on the homepage.
All right. Sorry to interrupt you, but the recipes are all online, so we'll get them there. Thanks, Ange.
You're welcome.